Aerofly Power Meter uses innovative technology to assist cyclists in improving their cycling power and performance. When biking, the pedaling force is through the bike transmission system. From pedal, crank, chainring, and eventually to the tire. This causes a reaction force with the ground, deforms the tire, and varies its tire pressure. Aerofly Power Meter is inbuilt with a high-sensitivity power sensor, which measures the tire pressure variation from pedaling. The Aerofly team concentrated on the experiments of the relevance between the pedaling force, ground reaction force, and tire pressure variation. From the experiments, the team concluded the high relativity of them and created a special algorithm from the data findings. Through dynamic pressure technology, Aerofly measures the pedaling force by tire pressure variation and associates it with cadence to get the power output. Aerofly Power Meter is equipped with a high-sensitivity pressure sensor, G-sensor, and MCU to collect and filter raw data. Aerofly measures power based on different road conditions and tire pressure variation with its global patented algorithmic technology. This algorithmic technology filters the factors in even slight bumps like sidewalk cracks. When going uphill, you will need to input more power. Aerofly's algorithm reads the altitude and gradient changes in real time. When using Aerofly for the first time, you will need to set your bike type, the correct wheel size, and your weight. Aerofly then provides an exclusive, scientifically measured data output for your training. Aerofly not only costs less than other meters, but it can be installed quickly and easily, making it accessible and easy to use for everyone. Aerofly uses science and advanced technology to help you improve your power. Enjoy your cycling and training. Don't let the road slow you down.
If you've ever flown a drone, you know how great it feels. You pull the levers and suddenly you're flying your own tiny plane. It's exciting. This is Metafly. And flying it is exciting on a completely different level. Like on a scale of 1 to 10, it's level 11 exciting, maybe even 12. Metafly has wings that enable it to fly just like winged animals do, so it can maneuver just like winged animals do. Technically, it's not a drone, it's an ornithopter, but really it's more than that. It's a Metafly. Metafly flies using a unique method called biomimetics, denoting synthetic methods that mimic natural processes. You know how a bird flies into your house and can navigate around everything without hitting anything? Metafly can do that, because it mimics the natural movement of the bird with its synthetic wings. See what we did there? That's science explaining awesomeness. Metafly flies just like in nature. It can take turns, fly slow or fast, and can maneuver around anything. It can also glide and be controlled to glide left and right. With those abilities, Metafly is one of the few RC flying objects that can actually fly in small spaces. Here it is flying in an office. Here it is flying in a house. Here it is flying in an even smaller house. Outdoors, Metafly can enjoy its full speed. By changing the direction of its tail, Metafly can fly faster when its tail is down, or more controllable when it's up. Due to its 2-channel remote control that allows for further range, no interference, and maximum control, you can fly Metafly super fast towards those dense trees and then maneuver between them like only a Metafly can. Now that's even level 13 exciting. Oh, and don't worry about crashing. Metafly has elastic wings and legs in addition to both front and back bumpers to protect its body. Take that, tree! Metafly is the result of more than 40 years of research and development. Edwin, an aeronautical engineer and the creator of Metafly, got into the field after his grandfather, this cool dude, created the first successful mechanic bird together with Edwin's father. Much later, Edwin himself successfully crowdfunded and delivered Bionic Bird. Now, he's diving even deeper into the world of biomimetics to take flight abilities even further. So if you want to fly just like animals in nature do, get Metafly and get ready to immerse yourself in an experience like no other. Metafly.
Hi, I'm Cannon. I build robots. Robots are great for learning tech skills, but there's no robot out there that can take you from being an absolute beginner to an experienced maker. Most robots either stop at the end of the assembly manual, or they limit you to the parts that they've created. That's why I made the Moorbot. It's a 3D printed robot ecosystem that is easy enough for a beginner to learn, but powerful enough to be a prototyping tool for any maker, entrepreneur, or innovator. Build a drone, automate your bathroom, make a robot that brings you a slice of pizza, make a robot that brings you more pizza. The point is, there's nothing you can't do with it. Your only limit is your imagination. All of our parts are modular and snap together. This means everything just works. You can mix and match any of our robot kits. This makes it easy for a beginner to get started quickly, but it also makes it quick for an experienced maker to prototype.
All of our parts are 3D printed and can be printed on almost any desktop 3D printer. Need a part that doesn't exist yet? We teach you to design and print your own parts to work with our ecosystem. This makes Moorbot the only platform that allows you to create new technology, not just consume it.
So where do you find our tutorials and part files? MakerPlace. It's like Netflix, but for makers. There, you can find our step-by-step tutorials that show you everything from how to build one of our robots to the skills necessary to design your own. We use video and high-quality pictures to make sure it's easy for you to learn. You can also find all of our part files, all the ones in your robots, and the ones that we haven't even sold in kits yet. That means you can always stay up to date with the parts in the robot ecosystem. Looking for inspiration? You can see our example projects, you can see what other makers have made, or even share your own creations with the world. This is where we foster a community of makers that are all about problem solving and creating tools that all of us can use. Our robots use the powerful Arduino Uno microcontroller. It's like a tiny computer. It's easy to get started programming with the Arduino Create online editor. It even works with Chromebooks. Don't like the Arduino and want to use a Raspberry Pi? That's fine. We've designed mounts that let you add a Raspberry Pi to your robot. Or 6. We've also incorporated other popular electronics platforms like Littlebits and Microbit, and we're always adding more to the MakerPlace. This isn't just another robot. It's an ecosystem of parts that can bring your ideas to life, backed by a community of makers and learners. Back us on Kickstarter and share this with every maker you know so that we can bring this idea to life, just like we'll enable you to do once it's backed.
You're getting used to your pets cheerfully welcome you at home, but you also know they're not that cheerful at home alone. Wicked Ball. 6 features make it the best gift for your dogs and cats. First, its 100% automatic feature makes it the perfect companion for your pets, even when you're not around. Just leave it with your pets. The magic starts. The 3 reaction modes for interaction enable you to choose from gentle, normal, and active, according to your pet's activity. There will always be a right mode for your pet. Its intelligent companion mode helps your buddy play hard and get enough rest at the same time, so no worries about wearing them off. Wicked Ball is built to fit any situation. Its waterproof outer shell makes sure that your pets would have as much fun in water as on land. Wicked Ball can avoid getting stuck by almost any situation. Just have fun! Premium materials make it perfectly durable and safe for pets to bite and chew on.
This is not true wireless. This is not sport wireless. This is not a neckband. This is the Air Loop, and it's all three. Air Loop is an earphone that transforms. Its powerful magnetic links snap together to form a sport band or a neckband. Together, these three modes give you an option for any situation. In true wireless, the Air Loop lets you move freely. With powerful specs to handle any workout. Air Loop gives you the freedom to choose. Attach the ear hook to enter sport wireless mode. With these, the Air Loop is stable at any speed. Attach another magnetic module to turn the Air Loop into a neckband.
Hey Siri, call James Carter.
Calling James Carter.
Hey Carter, how'd it go?
It went well. They want to talk to us, but they need a proposal by tonight.
I'm on it.
With 22 hours of total battery, the Air Loop is made to work. And for the longest journeys, Air Loop's charging case adds 80 hours of additional battery. Back us today and receive the world's first modular, true wireless earphone.